your seat to the furniture, arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all times. News? Camp Snoopy is having an annual jamboree. The day is filled with contests and fun for everyone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! First on the jamboree roster is the Camp Snoopy fishing derby. Looks like Snoopy has caught his limit. Hey, Charlie Brown, where'd you get? I got lost. Just goes to show you, all the Charlie Browns in the world, he's the Charlie Brown. Wait a minute, jamboree! There's my sister Lucy. I think she will very qualified to be queen because she is a royal pig. I heard that. Hey, look, it's the Beagle Scouts. They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Looks like they're holding the big sacrifice. Unfortunately, there's only one contestant there. One more part of the jamboree. There's a Beagle Scouts have gotten in on decorating fun. Beagle Scouts are quickly on their way to earning their helping someone in need merit badge.
Nothing to see here. What? Here's your papa? Oh, that's good. It's not like he said. It's not like he said. It's toilet paper.
How are those birds flying?
North side ducks. I wish we could go to that duck. It's not about the very own bird side. And then, you never should have dinner restaurants. After a long day filled with contests, there's no better way to end the day than with the jamboree jump. Happy Charlie is taking the lead to the jamboree feast. There's no better way to celebrate a jamboree victory than with some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. A badge for share. Okay, we're back at Camp Snoopy Depot. Thanks for riding with us on the Beagle Express. We've got lots of fun celebrating, and now here's our conductor, Mr. Execution. So long!
Alright, members, please remain seated till my train is fully parked. You will hear a big loud cheer. That is a sign for you guys to head on out. For now, just please remain seated till you hear that big and loud cheer. Thank you.
I thought it was like Bye.